At St. Louis Community College's School of Advanced Manufacturing, Industrial Occupations, and Transportation, you'll gain the technical skills and hands-on training needed for a career that keeps you working with your hands and shaping the world around you. From automotive and diesel technology to truck driving, our transportation programs prepare you for essential careers that keep the world moving. Our programs open doors to rewarding careers in industrial and manufacturing sectors. You can master the trades and explore high-demand fields like engineering technology, precision machining, biomedical electronics, welding, HVAC, and more. Or you can take off with geospatial technology. Our cutting-edge drone cages at 2 campuses give you the space to explore the fast-growing world of geospatial tech, a field soaring with opportunity. Protect and power our communities with careers in hazardous materials handling, environmental remediation, and machine maintenance, including solar installer training to help keep our communities safe, clean, and running strong. Are you not sure what you want to do? That's okay. Take a career assessment and learn more about job activities, skills, and education, and salary information. Students choose St. Louis Community College for high quality and affordable education, diverse programs, and strong support services that help students succeed and thrive academically and personally. Hands-on, high-tech, and career-ready. Your future in skilled trades and technology starts right here at St. Louis Community College.